Elders, ladies and gentlemen, today we have all gathered here to celebrate the 74th Republic Day of our country. On this day, we commemorate the adoption of our Constitution, which lays the foundation for our democracy and also guarantees the rights and freedoms of all the citizens of India. Our nation comprises of various cultures, languages, traditions and religions, and this diversity which makes us unique. While celebrating this day, it is important to reflect upon the importance of national unity in our country. Unity is the foundation of any strong nation in the world, and it is only through unity that we can build a strong, prosperous and harmonious nation. Unity helps in the progress and development of a nation, and also only when we stand together we can achieve our goals and aspirations. The recent COVID-19 pandemic has shown us what unity and solidarity can achieve. We have seen how a united effort can overcome even one of the challenging situations. While discussing about unity, let us also take a moment to remember and honor the contributions made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a crucial role in the freedom and the unification of our country. He unified 565 princely states of India and also played a crucial role in the formation of the drafting committee. The message, one nation, one vision and one identity, is resonating within the citizens of India. As rightly said by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, this message conveys that only with a sense of unity we can bring people together with mutual trust and help progress the nation as a whole. So on this day, let us take a pledge to work together to make India a shining example of unity in diversity. Jai Hind.